So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can make a GET request in MERN stack. For that, let's go into the backend. In here, just like we created post request, we'll be similarly creating a GET request for the blogs. Just writing app.get. Inside that I can specify the path like backslash get blogs, so it will get all the blogs, and then I can use the request and response. I can console log that. No, I don't need to console log. Actually, I am making a query from the blogs dot. I will be using find. I will be specifying an empty brackets for getting all the blogs item which is in the database. Then I'll be using then. Inside that I can add result as a parameter, and I can console log the result first. And I can send that to the front end result. Also, I can catch this if there is any error by using catch error, and then I can specify console.log error. So this is a get route actually. So this we have done now. Let's make a get request in the front end. For that, I can use that inside the use effect function, or I can use that inside the like after assigning a button this function. Like I can create a button which can make this request. I can write get all blogs, and I can assign on click, and I can set a function get all blogs, and then I can make request in this function. Copy this, and I'll be making a get request in here. So now I can use the same access package. Instead of this post, I can make the get, and instead of this path I'll be using get all blocks path which I created in the backend. Let me see that first. So it is get blocks, so I can use same path in the access, and in the get request we don't send any body actually, so we are not sending any body. I can directly console log this response whatever I'm getting, or I can use response.data, so I can get the data which is actually sent to us. So, and then I can make use of that and show that in the front end if I want, but I'll not be doing that. That is an additional step. We can do it. Let's first check it actually. If I click on this get all blocks, I should get all the blocks inside the response from the database. You can see that we got one object which is response. In this object actually there are a lot of information is there, but our information is this one, or the data is this one. We'll be getting all the data which is sent by the backend in this data property. Inside that you can see that the first object is for the test, second is for this one, and the third one is this one. So this is successful. We meet the successful get request. I can render the data in here if I want, like the title and description if I want, but I'll not be doing that. So that's not the thing which we want. Actually, we are learning to make the request or all the CRUD operation we can do. So this we did. So let's meet in the another one with a new request, which is update request. So how can we update actually? Let's do that.